first thing I want to do with this is I want to make it more gritty by trying to use some of that channel strip distortion on it. So let's listen to it and loop a bit. Okay, what I might do is I might run that in parallel with that StudioRack mono. Here we go. So same as I did yesterday when I was comparing the plugins, I can put a parallel split here, and I can have one with nothing on it, and I can have another one with the with an NLS channel on it. I can switch the mic on that. So if I solo that, that will be the same as what we just heard there. Nothing coming through. Oh, I need to actually turn on the channel. That would help. So that's just fuzzed it up in a nice way. Just introduced a little sort of buzziness to it, which will make sense with what I want to do on some of the backing vocals as well in a bit. When they let you on the street with fire in your eyes, lead boots on your feet. So I'm going to push a little bit more top into it. I might take some of this boost down on the bottom, just a tiny bit, not too much, and I want to boost a little bit more of this top, and I might move it up to 4K. So okay. I do like that sound.